In this problem, we're finding the average rate of change of a function f from fx1 to x2. Let me write down just the part that we really need, okay? So we need to know what the function is. So I'll write down the function. F of x is 3x squared plus 9. And they want us to go from x value of -4 to another x value of +1. So let's find the average rate of change. That's what they want us to find. So find average rate of change. We know how much x changed, right? X was starting at -4, so this is 0, -1, -2, -3, -4. We started at -4, but then we went to 1. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the right, and we ended up at 1. So that's the change of the x's. X had a positive change of 5 because we went from -4 to +1. But when they say average rate of change, we wanted it to be a change over y over change over x, okay? So let's find the y values, okay? Let's find the y values. Notice there's no y values given in this problem, but we can find some y's by plugging in the x values into this function. So let's see, when x is -4, what's going to happen to the y? I'm going to find the first y value, that is f of -4. So plug in -4 into the function. 3 times -4 squared plus 9. That is 3 times 16 plus 9. And that comes out to be, what's that? 48, right? Plus 9. So if I do 48 plus 9, that's going to be 57. So look, when x value was -4, y value was way up at 57 for this parabola. Just like this, can we find the y value for x of +1? What will happen if I plug in 1 into this function? Let's find the other y value. So I'm going to plug in 1 into this function. That will be 3 times 1 squared plus 9, right? Ooh, the math for this is going to be a little bit easier. That is 3 times +1 plus 9. So we'll get 3 plus 9, which is 12. So when you plug in a value of 1, it comes out to be 12. The y comes out to be 12. So now let us do the average rate of change. The average rate of change is the change in y value. So you're going to have to do 12 minus 57. I'll write that down over here. So I'm doing 12 minus 57 on top of the fraction. And I'm going to divide this by the change in x's, which is 1 minus -4. And we know what that is. We saw on the number line that was +5. But you have to subtract these y values and put that as a numerator. Subtract the x values and put that as a denominator. Okay? So let's do that. Where's my calculator? Where are you? Oh, here it is. All right, let me do 12 minus 57 first. 12 minus 57, that is -45. And if you notice the bottom of this fraction, this becomes 1 plus 4, right? Which is 5. So if I divide negative 45 by 5, the final answer comes out to be negative 9. Okay, so that is how you can find the average rate of change given a function and two x values.